Hey, it's Alex with FileDrop. We have a new feature that I want to show you quickly, especially for those that you work with PDF files or images and you want to extract information from your documents, be it invoices, contracts, or I don't know, purchase orders, anything like that. It's this little icon here where it says extract text. So I'm going to click on my link or where I have my file. Yeah, it can be inserted with FileDrop or any other way, like the insert function from the menu here or anything else. Let's just start it. I'm going to click the icon and it's going to take a bit for it to process the file. It depends on how large the file is and a couple of other things. The Google environment sometimes it's a bit slower. So what I did, extracted the file. What I have here is an invoice, and it extracted all the text from the invoice. What I can do is, first I can insert the text in any cell in my document. So I just say, for example, F4. Yeah. And it's going to insert it right about here. I can copy the text and use it anywhere else, or I can download this in a couple of formats. Plain text. So let's download it. So as you can see, all the text is here like this. I can download it as a doc, and let's see the result. And I have it like this. Yeah. Or I can download it as an Excel file. Maybe I need that. And let's see how it looks. So each line of the text is a new line. And I can extract the information I have from there. Another thing I can do here is translate this to, so now this is in Romanian, my language, and translate it to English, for example. So, and now the invoice was translated to English. I can translate it again to Spanish. And now I changed the format a bit. Maybe this is not what I wanted. Anyway, again, I can translate it and download it again in the format that I need in this language. So these are connected. I can copy this and use it anywhere else, or I can insert it where I need it. I'm going to close and you can see that it's inserted in F4. And then all the text is right in this cell. What do you think? Is this something that you need, you can use, you have different use cases? If you do, please leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. Cheers.